it's Shawna and I am here to do another Stitch Fix unboxing today. I'm recording a late night video tonight. We had volleyball practice, quick meal, curriculum night at the high school. It's been busy and it's late, but I needed to squeeze in opening my box so I can have you all help me make decisions. It's a really big box. I haven't had a big box in a long time. I think summer boxes all are really tiny with shorts and tank tops. And now I expect I will be getting sweaters in this. I had a great box last time, and so I've been really excited to see what I get in this one. I don't recall actually if I did any notes at all in this box. Maybe I did. We'll see what her note says. Usually they'll reference something that I put in there. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, return envelope. And here's the invoice. We'll look at prices at the very end, but I'll put them down below during my try-ons as well. And I just wanted to see, this is Alicia. Alicia's been my stylist for maybe the last 3 or 4 boxes because my stylist was on maternity leave. But she's done a great job. So, okay, here is my bundle. Oh my gosh, that looks like so much fun. Oh, I see corduroy. I'm a sucker for corduroy, and it's navy. And like a little jacket and some sweaters, and of course, as you know, sucker for stripes. All right, let's see what's in here. All right, so, oh, this is so cute. This is by Amour Vert, and it's just a knit striped, I thought it was a hoodie, but it has like this little weird faux hoodie. And we'll see how that looks, but I love stripes and it's comfortable. It's like a nice knit sweater material. It's not particularly soft, but it's not scratchy or anything either. All right, I look forward to trying that on. I probably will love it. Oh, this is so funny. I think my sister just got this in her box. It's really cute. I'm not always a purpley pink wearer, but this is a really cute sweater. It has it's very mesh in places, right, where you can see through them, but it's a cute sweater. All right, look forward to trying that on. Mark it in Spruce. All right, the next thing, again, I am a sucker for polka dots. But this is totally my sister Leah's style. She loves this kind of silky material with the V-neck and long sleeves. I like that they're not elastic at the end. I don't love an elastic sleeve, but this looks very fall with like a cardigan, like this cardigan. All right, well, I'm gonna try that on. Vince Camuto, oh, I mean, it's expensive. Okay, next is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is a quilted green, like kind of puffer jacket, but not like a classic puffer jacket. It's quilted olive color, and it looks like it has some kind of elastic-y sides. Okay, I think I said this on my last video. My cat doesn't play on his cat tree ever unless I'm doing a video. And he's going nuts over there. All right, somebody's trying to steal the show. All right, I can't wait to try on this jacket. It is by Mark and Spruce as well. All right, this last thing, oh, I'm really excited about this. Well, I hope I like it. Oh, we'll see. Okay, so Navy Corduroy by Sam Edelman. Okay, I love this, I love this. Okay, it looks boot cut with a frayed hem. I don't know, I'm new to, I mean, I did boot cut for years in the 90s, so you would think that I would like this in 2000, so I should be able to bring it back, right? All right, we'll see how it looks on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the first outfit, and the sweatshirt, knit sweatshirt, it's kind of, yeah, it's like a sweater, but like a hoodie, no actual hood. It's cute, I think. My daughter, she didn't love the sweatshirt. My husband liked it. It probably depends on the price. It's super cute. I'd wear it. Do I need it? Well, probably not. But it's a really nice little shirt for fall. And it has even like little pouch pocket here. Okay, the pants are really the big question. So they're a navy corduroy and they fit good up top. They fit, I think, good in the butt. They're a little snug in the thighs. Not a surprise. But okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Check out the bottoms. Let me fall over. They're boot cut. I just don't even know what to do with these big bottoms. But they're totally cut. They're not hemmed at all. They're not really even frayed. I mean, they're short, but I could just cut them shorter, right? And I asked my daughter, I said, what do I even do with these? They're so big and they're so long in this boot cut. She's like, clogs. And so then I knew that I was raising her right. But she liked the pants. She thought they were really fun. I don't have anything like it. And I don't know, maybe they're super long. So maybe if I cut the bottoms a little bit more, that they would be good. Is that even a good idea? I don't know. So it'll probably really depend on the price. Okay, let me know what you think about this outfit. I'll go try on the next one. Okay, here's the jacket. And I love the color and I think the quilting is really fun. The back even has cute little buttons. And I like the stretchy side panels. It's a really nice spin on kind of a puffer jacket. Not kind of the classic like REI kind of. It's a little bit more style to it. Yeah, almost kind of biker collar. I don't know, what do you think? I think the arms might be a little bit tight. I'm feeling like pulling a little bit here. Maybe a bigger size, but then I wonder if a bigger size might fit too big around here. Because I think this fits pretty good. Yeah, tell me what you think about this. It might depend on the price too, but yeah, I think that just doing that, it feels really tight and pulling here. If I fall in love with this, I might have to get a different size, one bigger size, but it is cute, I think. Yeah, tell me what you think about that. I just have my boyfriend jeans on with this. And the next thing is this little, and you can see my bra through it, which is a negative. So I'd have to wear a tank top with it, so avert your eyes if you don't want to see a little cream mom bra poking out. But I think it's cute. I don't think it's anything super special. Again, it has like little mesh bits through it, which give it some interesting style. I don't really love purpley pink colors, but I don't think it looks bad. I think it's thin and flattering. A really nice sweater, but nothing. The cat? What? I don't understand. I think it's a really nice sweater. So, I mean, I guess it also depends on the price. All right, I have one more thing to try on. I'll be right back. Okay, I decided to try on the Vince Camuto top with my Transcend cardigan that I got in my last box. And if you haven't watched that video, you can click the link above. It is, this is a great sweater and that was a great box. So I think this looks really cute together. Let me take it off. The polka dots are something I would wear really regularly. It has a great V-neck, great flattering gathering hair, kind of 3/4 length sleeves. It's really soft silky material. Yeah, let me know what you think about this. I will be honest, I'm trying not to love it. In my experience, the Vince Camuto stuff is overpriced. It's not just high price, I think it's overpriced. So I fear that this is gonna be out of my price range or just maybe not worth it to me. It's not about the price, it's about, is it worth it? Can you justify it? Is it that great? All right, now we're gonna look at prices and really decide. I'll be right back. Okay, time for the prices. I did read my style card in my note from my stylist, and really she just focused on fall. So, and I think she did a good job. Really fun fall items. And so now the prices. Okay, so the purple textured, Rowan textured sweater is a size medium, and it's $58. I don't love the color, and so to me it's nothing that special for $58. It's cute and it's flattering, but it's just kind of meh to me, probably because of the color. Okay, the Sam Edelman pants, oh, they're $98. I knew they'd be high, and I really like them. If I was fashion savvy enough to know what to do with the bottoms, then, or maybe they're just too long. Do I cut them? Do I hem them? Do I just wear tall shoes? Do I just get shorter? Do I just get longer legs or shorter pants? They're really cute and I like them. That's a bit steep from my lack of knowledge on how to deal with them. I thought they're really cute on though, and a really fun pair. So Alicia, my stylist, keep on with this kind of stuff. I love colored pants. Okay, the Vince Camuto top. Okay, see? It is a medium and it's $74. Okay. I thought it was a really cute shirt, but I feel like I could get a very similar, very cute shirt at Nordstrom Rack for half the price. And I just don't know how they get away with selling it for that price. $74 for just like a pretty basic blouse. It's cute, but there wasn't anything that special about it. I don't know, maybe I'm being critical, I don't know, or maybe I'm being cheap. It's possible. I really like that shirt, but it's a bit steep. Okay, the drawstring, they call it the Amour Vert for Stitch Fix Kaitlyn drawstring. It is a medium and it's $68. It's real cute. It's really cute. I'd wear it all the time. I think that's a little bit steep, $68, but I like it a lot. So we might have to splurge for that. Oh, why is this so hard today? Okay, and then the puffer jacket, Market and Spruce. I knew that would be high. Okay, look at how cute the inside of this is. The little plaid inside. I love detail like that, where it has such a cute inside. It makes me feel so good. And it's kind of this really soft material on the inside too. I do really like this. I might ask for, if I decide to keep this one, I might ask for a bigger size. Tell me what you thought about this on. Do you think it fit? Do you think it looked good, or maybe it just was like, eh, right? Is it worth $88? No, I'd pay $88 for a jacket. All right, well, you guys are gonna have to tell me what you think, because I'm real stumped about this. So the whole box is $386. That's a steep box for 5 items, I think. If I bought everything, it would be $96.50 off, minus my $20 styling fee. And so for five items for $269.50, I think that's a bit high for Stitch Fix. Usually we can get a little bit lower than that. I think 5 items closer, you know, right around the $200 mark is just fine. Gosh, wow, this is gonna be a really tough decision. I'm gonna need your guys' help for sure. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you like these videos, if you would just subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and I have a Transcend Ever Eve box coming up pretty soon. So keep track of what I got going on my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.